Well, good morning. It is 9:25. Went to the gym. Had a virtual doctor's appointment. I think it's so funny when they ask me these questions of like, for anxiety, because they got me down for like an anxiety kind of like sleeping med. Do you feel stressful several days, all the days, or most of the days? And I'm like, literally, I have anxiety and the medicine is only for sleep. So it's literally almost every single day I'm stressed out. But I'm just like, I don't know, several days. Does anybody else just kind of like low-key lie just because like you don't want to be put on more prescription meds? Because like it's already a mess trying to figure out what works. I went through a whole thing, girl. Don't listen. This is the state of my cat. It's me and Haley's a year and 9-month anniversary. So I need to like pick out what to wear, but I think I know what I want to wear. Oh my God, this lighting, I cannot. Maroon, black dress shoes. Oh, I'm sorry, Rose. Just threw it on her. Tie moments. Okay, we love a good tie. And then I think I'm gonna do a little blazer jacket moments. Like it's gonna like look like a suit. Okay, that's like the vision. Then I have to get Haley an iced coffee from Panera. So that's what my day is looking like. Oh, I also have to pack for my job tomorrow that I'm going to. I just got off my FaceTime call with my dad, repacked some of my stuff because they sent me a new hard drive. So now I have like 4 hard drives that are working. I don't need all those hard drives though. Like ever since I started like using it, she let me know. And this is not how I use it. On today's menu for today, we have tuna sliders because my girlfriend reluctantly told me yesterday that the buns are for veggie burgers. So now I have to use the rolls and now they've become sliders, okay? Same thing I cooked yesterday. Same thing. Do y'all ever just be, that sounded so country, ew. Did you hear a screech outside or was that just me? Do y'all ever just like get the ick about yourself? Like, ugh, you know, like just like your whole inner body and just, ugh, get an ick? Like right in the middle of the day, right when you're doing something, ugh. I'm gonna go for a walk. Run this ick out. Some fluff. I just needed some fluff, Rose. I just needed some fluff. Thank you. It makes the ick less. Laundry. Going on a walk and then going to Panera to get my girlfriend a drink that she wants. Elevator. It's literally so crazy how many people come out at springtime. Like, I didn't even know the city had that many people in it. second coffee of the day at 3 p.m. I walked for like at least an hour and a half. I was starting just to walk. And then I was like, I need to get Haley her coffee. So I went to Panera, but I was like, this is too short of a walk. I'm gonna go past Panera and then I'm just gonna like go across the street and then come back down on the same Panera. I get a text. Your medication's ready at CVS. Where's CVS? 16 blocks away, 24-minute walk. Great. I go to CVS. They're closed because they have lunch. Waiting there till 2:02 because they never open right at 2. They open like a few minutes after 2. I get my medicine after 3 old men take their sweet time getting 16 different prescriptions. I walk out. I walk the 24 minutes back to the street I was on. I got my girl her drink that she wanted, and I'm back here. Feet are sore. It was unexpected to walk that much, but here we are. I want to watch a movie, but I'm tired, and I can't be tired because I have a date with my girl tonight. I don't know what's going on with this. Do I have a video up and ready? Is this what's happening? Hello? Computer? Are you plugged in? Yeah, you're plugged in. It's on. Computer, come on. Thank you. Oh yeah, okay. It's still uploading? Ugh. Bro, I just love filming on these little camcorders. They're just so, dare I say it, handy. Okay, it's time for me to get ready. I'm gonna wear like black, gray pants, everything else, black shoes, gonna have a black tie. She says she wants to dress up, so here I am. Look, a watch, yeah. Little blazer, little black blazer moment. I'm gonna do my hair. Mostly because like, why is it like this? Like, why is it flat? Girl, please. So we're gonna burn it. Do you ever just burn your hair to make it look good? Me too. Since we're, you know, sticking with the black and gold theme here, I figured maybe just a little. I will never forget the day that I got this. Wow. Yeah. So good. Maybe I should button this up. The cleavage button. I don't have any of that. Okay, I'm gonna go get my tie and like figure it out. Black tie moment. You know, I need to get shirts that like actually fit ties. Cause like sometimes I just don't feel like this cuts it. I don't really tie a tie like men do. I do this like little like floppy moment where it's just like sitting on itself. The hair, I kind of just use a flat iron and I curl it. So I just do like little curls. Sometimes it be working and sometimes it don't be working. This is how I used to do my hair like way back when I would go out. I would do this and I would like flat iron my hair, but like I would curl it. I watched a video on how to get texture, because texture for my hair is always something that I struggled with. I just give it texture with a little flat iron. But yeah, the key is just texture. Sometimes it doesn't like to be textured. Well, I tried. I made an effort. I think I'm happy with this. Do you like in this place?
Not to be stupid, but like, are these also chopsticks or are they just very long?
Wait, try to use them as chopsticks. I want to see how goofy that looks. Wait, is it actually though for that purpose? Are they actually round?
Oh, Lauren.
They're rounds.
I've never seen silverware like this before.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we saw this in near the theater. I don't know if it's the real one from the movie, but it looks so cool. Look at this. It's got even the space boots in there and the speedometer thing. That's crazy. Oh, this is so sick. Wait. Okay, so the Rita's line, because it's free ice day or whatever, it wraps around this building. Maybe not.
If you didn't see that.
It's dusk. It's not even night right now. It's dusk. Because it's turning into summer. Pretty.